Alright, got the Craftsman pulled in here. In this box, along with a couple of other boxes that I have, there are some parts for the Craftsman. There was a company I got reached out to, 4Try. It's an Amazon seller, it seems to be. They said, hey, we like your videos. We'll send you some free parts if you do some installation stuff. And I said, yeah, sure. And so here we are. So in this box, I've already cut them all open just to see. But in this one, we have the the deck belt, I believe is what it is. Let me get this out of the bag and we'll take a look. All right. Like I say, I believe this was a deck belt, and I don't know, the one that I have on there now doesn't need to be replaced, but I do need to do an unboxing and installation video. So let's I guess let's do that real quick, huh? I probably jacked that up way too high. Oh yeah. So let's lower that a little bit. Well, try that out for size. Alright, well, so for replacing your belt, I was going to say what I like to do. That would be a lie, because I haven't enjoyed doing it yet. But, well, now I got you right up in here, alright? I was originally thinking, because the last time I changed this belt, I had the deck off anyhow, so it was just kind of down, and everything was super duper out of the way. But I think I'm going to be able to get this, I would say old belt, but it's not an old belt, it's pretty new. I actually just did this, but for the sake of the video, yeah, I think I'm going to try and do this without dropping the deck completely off. I think that'd be pretty cool. I'm not trying to make the job harder than it has to be, but if there's an easier way of doing it without completely dropping the deck, we're about to figure it out. I think we'll take this off, and there's one on the other side. I should be able to take these both off without doing anything extra. And then this part here, you just pull it out and move it out of the way like that. And that allows the belt to, you can tug on it then and move it around. So, yeah, let me get the tools I need for this. Looks like just a socket, and we'll get them off. Alright, so there's that cover off. Oh yeah, we're doing this thing. It looks like, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it or not. No, you can't. Not really. So right here, we're gonna have to take that out. There's a bolt there. We can get to that, no problem. I just got to take the cover off the other side, get that out, and then I should be able to just yoink that out. Got the cover off the other side over there, and so now I still need to take, and you guys can't see that, well, you kind of can. I still need to take that off. I have my utensil. Let's do this. Yeah, okay, cool. Do I have to? Oh, may as well. Well, I'm gonna be in your guys' way for a second. So we got that mess out of the way. Yeah. Make sure not to lose that stuff. Pop that out of the way. And then now, so now you wanna keep in mind where you're pulling from, because there's guards and stuff. I don't know if you'd call it, well, you wouldn't call them derailers, whatever they are. Pop that out. Take that down. And over to the other side of the tractor. Oh yeah. All right, we got our new belt. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright. So I kind of want to, before I put the belt up over the drive pulley, I want to go around to the other side and get the belt on over there. Alright. That. Do the thing. There you go. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Just gotta get, so let's put this back on. Hopefully I can do this. Hey, I think I got it. Oh. Parts everywhere. I'm gonna be in your guys' way again for a second. Oh, cooperate with me, come on. There we go. If you talk nice to them, sometimes you get cooperation. Sometimes. Okay. Well, get these covers back on real quick. One. 2, 3. I still got to put the other cover on, but there she is. Well, alright kids, there it is. I want to give special thanks to 4Try for providing me with the parts. The links to the belt will be in the description. And so yeah, big thanks to them. And I want to thank everybody else for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.